Alright folks, I'm back again, and this time we're going to look at the action word climb. The different forms would be climb, climbing, climbs, climbed. So if you're ready, let's begin. We climb. We are climbing. We have climbed. We have been climbing. Great. We climbed. We were climbing. We had climbed. We had been climbing. Let's look at the next four. We will climb. We will be climbing. We will have climbed. We will have been climbing. We would better climb. We are supposed to climb. We are trying to climb. Can we climb? It's time to climb. Let's not climb. It's no use climbing. What if we climb? With that, we've come to the end of the action word climb. I'll come back to you with more action words. Stay connected.